To your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Weather Center. We hear the rain and the rumbling over our studios, Tony.
Yeah, you can hear it on the roof. These storms are localized, heavy downpours, lightning, and some gusty winds stretching from roughly Rehoboth, Seekonk, Warwick, Cranston out towards western Coventry and West Warwick. Now, in downtown Providence, the visibility now has improved a little bit. So the storm's actually moving out of Providence, getting ready to head towards Barrington. So obviously, let's start with Doppler radar and first show you the wider view. Keeping in mind that, not all locations have these storms, but, the areas that we highlight in yellow, orange, especially the red and purple colors, indicating the downpours and some of the stronger storms. Now, there are no severe warnings that have been issued, and the reason why we haven't really met severe criteria. You need, large hail, winds, 60, 70 miles per hour. So we don't see that, but these are certainly high-impact storms. They're producing downpours, poor visibility, lightning, and some gusty wind. So let's get in real close. We have our lightning tracker turned on, and you can see the cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, the lightning icons. You see Providence Metro right here. So this one storm getting ready to move into Barrington right now. This next line out towards Fiskville, western Coventry, West Warwick, and the line extends over the border into eastern Connecticut. So we get in real close, and you see Providence right in here. The storm now pulling away, heading towards Rehoboth right now, Bristol, Barrington, and Warren. Here is Warwick and Guarded Park right in here, and West Warwick and western Coventry right in here, the northern portion of Kent County. This is all tracking off now to the east and southeast. So the southern half of the state has yet to see any showers or storms, but we get in real close. Now our studios here in Seekonk, we can hear the thunder and lightning. You got the lightning icons indicating cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. Route 114, this is Bristol Barrington, right in here with some downpours. And there's more activity out towards Cranston, Fiskville, western Coventry, and West Warwick. Here's Route 95 right in here, so certainly reducing travel speeds. You can see 117 right in here in western Kent County, 116. This is Jackson and West Warwick right now. So coming through in the next roughly 30 to 45 minutes. And here's the wider view. Nothing in the southern half of the state yet. Just got an email from someone on Aquidneck Island wanted to know, these storms going to make it further to the south. I think they do pass to the south towards southern Rhode Island next hour, but they should tend to weaken as they get closer to the ocean. But still thunder, lightning, and some downpours. And the risk of all of this probably winding down by about 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. And the visibility has improved dramatically in Providence. Just 15, 20 minutes ago, you had a sheet of rain and some wind, so it was a quick hitter. In the meantime, temperatures are in the 60s and 70s. Very humid. These storms feed on high humidity. So the threat tracker will keep it elevated until about 7 o'clock this evening. Any outdoor activities this evening, beyond 7 o'clock this evening, the storms should be winding down. And both Saturday and Sunday, nothing has changed with that forecast. It still looks spectacular if you don't mind the heat, especially on Sunday. So after 7 or 8 o'clock, this risk is gone. Warm sunshine on Saturday, 85, 90 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 consecutive days. That would make it an official heat wave. Even Wednesday of next week, warm and humid, 85, with a chance of a late-day thunderstorm. But in the short term, Brian, next roughly 2 to 3 hours, still a risk of scattered downpours and some thunderstorms. The rest of the evening should be fine. This weekend, only 1,000 times better than last weekend.
Easily 1,000 times better. A lot of smiles.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Kim.